Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the LoveBoxxx I Love You set. So let's get started. So this is everything that comes included in the I Love You gift set. Perfect for beginners and couples. It has everything you and your partner need to enjoy a night of passion and romance in the bedroom. It's also great for Valentine's Day, a birthday or a spontaneous romantic gesture. Your partner will love it. There are 7 pieces included in this set, including rose petals, sex dice, simply roll and enjoy the positions, a mini bullet vibrator, batteries are included, simply press at the top and simply press the button to change the settings. To turn off, press and hold down and it's now off. A feather tickler for stimulating sensations, a silky eye mask with an elastic backing for the perfect fit, a cock ring made of a stretchy material for the perfect fit, and a bullet vibrator and clitoris stimulator at the top there, perfect for partners. To turn on, simply press and hold down and it's on. To turn off, push back down and it's now off. And last but not least, but metal cuffs with keys as well. And that is the LoveBoxxx I Love You set. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching and we'll see you again next time.